January 27th, 2020. Just had a guy come here to fix this fridge, but it did not work. He put some insulation between the bracket that holds the fan and the walls, I guess, in the back of the refrigerator or the freezer side in there, and hopefully that would stop or dampen the vibrations, but yet you can still hear this thing. It's extremely loud in the house. You can hear it from every room. It makes it hard to sleep. It is not fun having this refrigerator in the house. I've had GE try to get this thing resolved. I've called them 5 times. I will be calling them again in a little bit for a 6th time. This is all I've found so far, is that it is still loud as hell. One thing I can do is push here, and it does help some. So maybe he needs to bring in some more insulation or something like that and try again, because this is not fixing the problem.